Hey, hello everyone. How are you all? My name is Syed Hamza Ali and I am a teacher of musicology. Never heard of this name? No problem. I'm gonna tell you about it. The word musicology, as we all know, that music is music and logy mean to study. So study of music is called musicology. So I would like to say congratulations to you all to have this musicology as your new subject, and I will be teaching you throughout the year. So, shall we begin? Okay. So, when we are gonna learn about music, so we should know the proper definition of music. If I ask anyone to define music, so one says music is music, but this is like calling an apple an apple. If I said what is an apple, so you should say apple is a fruit. It's sweet in color and it's edible item. It's sweet in taste. It's yellow in color, yellow and red and green. So you can define a proper thing. But if I ask you to define music, so most people get confused. So, in the beginning of our class, I'll tell you how to define music. If someone asks me, if I ask anyone to define music, so everyone says music is songs. Okay, let's suppose music is song. Music is guitar. Guitar is an instrument. It's not music. फिर at the end of the day हम क्या music क्या है? What is music? So this is a proper definition that I'm gonna tell you about music. See, I hope you can all see the presentation. Okay, when someone like when we put sound, any kind of sound, if we put sound and silence, like I have a sound and silence. If we start making the patterns of sound and silence is out of music. So if I say you to define music, okay, when we make patterns of sound and silence in a specific time loop. Got my point? For example, I have a time loop, and if I ask you to put some sounds in it, like just give me an example. Let me give you an example. If I clap, see, it's not music, just a sound. But what if I start patronizing the clap? See, this is it. So uh, let's back to the definition. So when we put some sound and silence in a specific time loop and we make sense of it, so it becomes music. Now, what is sound and how do we produce sound? Sound and silence से मुराद क्या है मेरी? Like, do you want me to explain what is sound and silence? So these are the definitions that I wrote for you guys. Sound. Any sound produced naturally or unnaturally by vibrating, rubbing, striking, or digitally produced through any physical instrument. Got it? What I'm saying? Yani, if I elaborate it, okay. We all know that sound is the name of vibration, specific time of vibration. But if we produce sound, for example, just give me a great example. See, I have a paper in my hand. Yeah, see. I hope you can hear this sound. See, I am vibrating the paper. This is the same example. जैसे have you ever seen a rubber band? So, जैसे like I don't have a rubber band right now, but I hope everyone did once in a lifetime. सबने करा होता है. Like if you pull a rubber band so hard, और उसको जब आप ऐसे प्ले करते हैं डंग डंग डंग, तो it start producing sound. Why? Because the rubber band is vibrating at a specific speed. Take a minute, take a rubber band, stretch it, and अपने कान के पास लगाएं इसको, put it near your ear, उसको just vibrate your finger, so you will hear a sound. So this is how we produce sound, by vibrating. The other word is written is rubbing. How to produce a sound? By rubbing something. Have you ever seen violin? Have you ever seen violin? Violin, when we play violin, we rub the stick with the strings. This is how. I'll just give you an example. See, take your hands and rub with each other. You start noticing that your hand producing sound. So you can produce sound by rubbing. Okay, by rubbing the surface. Okay, we have striking. So as we all know that most of musical instrument. We are not talking about musical instrument. How we are producing sound by striking? See. See, this is how I'm doing it. Snapping. Maybe my fingers are striking my palm. Even in the clap, my hand is striking with the other hand. So it is making some sound. Achha, what is mean by digitally made sound? So हमारे पास we all have mobile phones. We all have any digital sound, जैसे doorbell. We have a doorbell. So have you ever noticed that when we press doorbell, how sound is produced? There is a electricity going inside it through circuits and wires. जैसे we have mobile phone में we have electricity. So through electricity, through a speaker, through circuits and coils and wires, the sound is produced. So this is how the sound is produced through digital media. Okay, what about silence? As we all know that silence is nothing but absence of sound. If we remove sound from the environment, the environment will become silent. So silence is the absence of sound in the environment. This is the general definition of silence. But if we talk about in music, when we talk about in music, so whenever we talk about in music, it sounds like we refer it to the rest of any instrument in the musical performance. For example, no worries. See, this hand is the performer A. ये मेरा जो हाथ है ये समझे परफॉर्मर, ये परफॉर्मर है, इसका नाम है परफॉर्मर A, and this hand is performer B. Got it? See, both hands are snapping right now. Yani performer A is also snapping as well as performer B. Both are making some sounds. But if I ask performer B to stop snapping, to remain silent, so this means performer B is in the silence position, but performer A is still producing sound. Sound तो है, sound environment, but silence in music means कि जो आप perform, whatever you are performing, you remain silent. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ बैंड, एक बैंड है जिसमें मेरे पास गिटार है, आई हैव अ फ्लूट। तो अभी मैं गिटार बजा रहा हूँ और देयर इज अ गाय हु इज प्लेइंग फ्लूट विद मी। सो उसमें इट्स लाइक अब जब मेरी गिटार की बारी आती है तो आई आस्क हिम टू रिमेन साइलेंट। अब इफ आई एम प्लेइंग गिटार और फिर वो फ्लूट बजाई जा रहा है तो देयर इज चांस के वी विल नॉट शाइन, हम दोनों की आवाजें समझ नहीं आएंगी। तो इसलिए साइलेंस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ म्यूजिक। यू आप you have to play music as well as you have to remain silent in music. So you will learn it, you will learn this thing more. I think we should go for the activity. Yes, it is an activity, but before an activity we will see, I have an extra information for you guys. See, if I ask what is a conductor, what is a conductor? If I ask someone, okay, tell me what is a conductor, so student must say the conductor is the medium in which the electricity can pass. This is in the reference of science, but when we talk about in music, conductor, if we have a lot of musician, तो conductor is a person, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा even in different movies and different cartoons, there is a guy who wears a black coat. I am showing you the picture in the even I'm showing you the picture in the presentation, that the guy is wearing the white coat having the stick in the hand. Up, the conductor in orchestral music is the person who directs the performance of different performers through hand gesture. Got my point? What I'm saying? Conductor person जिसको सब देखते हैं, and conductor is a person who guides musician in the middle of performance. कि आप इस म्यूजिशियन को to remain silent, इस म्यूजिशियन को to produce this sound, this musician should go this loud. ये this is the work of conductor. और वो भी हैंड जेस्चर से कराता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक के कुछ बोलता है, बिकॉज यू कांट स्पीक इन म्यूजिक. व्हेन यू आर परफॉर्मिंग म्यूजिक यू कैन नॉट स्पीक. तो आप सिर्फ हैंड जेस्चर और सिर्फ इशारों से you communicate with each other. Okay, so this is the work of a conductor. So as you are aware of the word conductor, so repeat with me. A conductor is a person who manage, who guide, and who directs the performer to the stage in middle of the performance. Got it? So I am telling this to you because we are gonna have the musical activity. Achha, let's move further. Like if I ask you to consider me as your conductor, so just tell me, like if I ask you to pretend that if look, see my hand, so sorry, see my hand. If my hand is open, then you should produce sound. If my hand is closed, then you should remain silent. Just for example, if I ask you to produce sound, so everyone, you sound with me. Please mute, keep your mouth mute. ठीक है, ताकि it will not disturb other. So start producing sound. If I say produce with you can sing this syllable da or da or or ba. level would you like to sing? It's up to you. It's on what level? So start producing song with me. One, two, three. Da, see, this is how producing a sound. Okay, like if I say, okay, whenever you see my hand, you start producing sound, and whenever you see my fist is closed, so stop producing a sound. Like this. Da, 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 da. Very good. Hope you understand it. So I will not produce sound. I will just show the hand gesture or sound I produce continue. So I'm sorry because of my background. Okay, we shall start it. See my hand gesture. One, two, three. Start. Very good. Very good. Very impressive. So you understood the concept of conduct. For example, if we are having a face class, let's suppose कि हम साथ बैठे हुए हैं, all students. So if I am doing this is connected to me. So जब मैंने जैसी मैं यूं करूँगा तो सब start sound produce शुरू कर देंगे. जैसी करूँगा तो everyone remain silent. So this is how we are connecting or will be connect each other. और कैसे connect होंगे? Through me, because I will be actor. So this is in the conductor. It happens in the live performance and the music. Okay. So now we will do it again. You will follow me as a conductor. It will go like this again. Do it with me. Da 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 da. Up. This is how the sound and sense are working together. For example, if just say, let's back to the definition. It's like I was the this is just sound. But if I start patronizing it, is it da 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 da. See, start taking shape music. So as we listen to the common electronic music, so it goes like dan 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 dan. See, I am using the note as well as I am showing the sense in between the note. Da 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 da. See, this how the sound and sense work together. Okay. For example, if I ask you, uh, can we see mouse? Yes. So, have you ever seen these signs? Have you ever seen these signs? Yeah, we already do. We know these signs represent music. But what if I tell you at the end of the year, you will be able to read these signs and play music with these signs? I'm joking. Uh, it's, a, it's a surprise for you guys. So, uh, I'm not teaching it right now. I am telling you the concept of writing it. Okay, how to write it. For example, uh, as I told you about hand gesture, this is the demonstration of conductor and performer. I was the conductor, you as the performer. So now I'm the concept of writing music. How to write music, please. So this is how it goes. For example, if I ask you to consider one as a sound and zero as a silence, for example, and I ask you to use THR for sound and sh for silence. Clear? It will be easy. See, I have some examples for you. So it goes like, if I ask you to read these this first line, it will go just like this. Ta 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 ta. Okay. Ta 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 ta. Repeat with me. You repeat this line with me again. Okay. One. Acha, I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. Kabhi bhi, whenever you are gonna perform anything, so start four count. Jैसे one, two, three, four. One, two, three. Start. Ta, 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 ta. Got it? It helps you to sing with others. Okay. So first is ta, 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 ta. What will be the second line? If I ask you to sing the second line with me, so it will become ta, sh, ta, sh. Okay, ta, sh, ta, sh. Got it? So this is ta, 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 sh, ta, sh. So up, I want you to start practicing it, and now sing the third line with me. It will be, I want you to sing it. Okay. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, start. Very good, very good. Now I am telling you how to sing it. It will be ta, ta, sh, ta. Okay, good. So this is the fourth line that we are gonna sing is ta, sh, ta, ta. As I said, what will be the last line? Okay. Sh, sh, ta, sh. Uh, for example, if I ask you to, to I want a volunteer, ठीक है? So volunteer will read first line. The second volunteer will sing, will read the third, fourth line, and third volunteer will sing fourth and fifth line. Okay, so take your time. I want the first volunteer to sing first, second, then second, third, and then, oh, I'm sorry, first, second, then third, fourth, and the fourth, fifth. Acha, like if I ask you to You can pause the video and you do it. Very good. Very good. Okay. Like, I hope you guys are creating some concept at how to write and read music. I know this a very basic technique, but I assure you that after some time you will love it, or you will be writing your own rhythmic patterns with it. Acha, let's give it a shot. Uh, I want a volunteer to write the rhythm, to write the rhythm, uh, and other student will sing for you, or write only four, not more than that. जैसे मैंने जैसे just like I wrote it down, only four numbers. You can write only four digits only. You can do it like this. So I want any volunteer to sing, write a part, and I will be singing it. Okay. So another example of this case, I am singing a part, and you will be performing. You will be writing the melody which I'll be singing. So it's like कि मैं एक part गाऊंगा और आप उसको लिखोगे chat box. Okay, don't turn on your mic, please. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay. Up, I will repeat it twice. So please इसको गौर से सुनिए और try to write it down. So it will be like, okay, da sh da da sh da da sh. Okay, 8 digits की melody है. Try. I am singing it again. Listen it carefully. Da sh da da sh da da sh. 8 digits only. Again, I'm telling it again. Right. Da sh da da sh da da sh. I hope it will be easy for you. Yes. So I hope the lesson is clear to you, that you can now tell the concept of reading and writing music. It's just a basic concept. It's not final product writing music, but you play your class fellows with it. Just write write a rhythm pattern, and you can easily tell everyone to read it aloud and see if something is right or wrong. So now we are at the end of the class. The direct end, we will just have some reflection. So I will be asking you question. So first of all, just do tell me that what is musicology? Musicology derived from words. Music mean musici. Yeah, musici. It's a Latin word. Logy means to study. So the study of music is musicology. We will learn how to read at music or study history, defect. A lot of things is gonna come up in your life. Then we learn about definition of music. Yes, what was the definition? Good. Yes. Placement of sound and silence in a specific time to form different trends is called music. Yes. So what is silence? Sound. Sound is vibrant. Sound is like is audible to us. So we produce sound by rating some objects, by it, by striking it. So in silence, the absence of sound. Yes, and what we did the conductor and performer exercise. The just like this, the silence, sound, silence, sound, silence. Yes, and what we did next, we discovered like how unofficially writing music, like we did it with one sentence, shh, the shh, just like this. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the class. If you have any query, ask your teacher. Okay. Write to me. Thank you so much for your patience. You guys are awesome. Do learn music. It's a good thing. It will change your life. Okay. There, Allah Hafiz. And hashtag class. Thank you so much.